Higher extension, press pause and attempt the prerequisite knowledge task, then press play and I will go through the task with you. Leave the following calculations as fractions in their simplest form. Question 1, 3/4 times 8/9. Now one way to do this is just to do 3 times 8, 24, 4 times 9, 36, and now we say okay, 12 goes into both of those, highest common factor, and that will give us 2/3. 24 divided by 12 is 2, 36 divided by 12 is 3. But if I use this method for question 2, then this calculation is going to take a long time, and then seeing how I'm going to cancel it's going to take me ages. So I need to use a more efficient method. So let's clear that away. So what I can see is how many 4 is going to 4? 1. How many 4 is going to 8? 2. Okay, so instead of multiplying by 8, I can multiply by 2. And in a similar way, I can cancel these two down because they've got a common factor of 3. So that's 1 goes into 3, and 3 is going to 9. So now I just simply go 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 3 is 3, and that question's finished. Let's take a look at the question underneath using similar method. So instead of 15 and 20, I can say, right, 5 is a highest common factor of those two. How many 5 is going to 15? 3. How many 5 is going to 20? 4. And then in a similar way, 7 goes into 14 twice, 7 goes into 21 3 times. So now that's just going to be 2 times 4 is 8, 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. Last one you have division, and so the way that most teachers teach that is to do the 14 over 33 and then times by, and we flip these two around, which is 55 over 49. Okay, and now I just can use the same thing that I used before. So I'm multiplying now because I've changed this sign to a multiply. I found the reciprocal effectively of 49 over 55. And I'll go into cancel now. How many 11's going to 33 is 3. How many 11's going to 55 is 5. And 7's here. How many 7's going to 14? 2. How many 7's going to 49? 7. We multiply across. 2 times 5 is 10. 3 times 7 is 21. Press pause and try the example questions. Then press play and I will answer the examples with you. Simplify fully. First of all, I've got x squared minus 25, so difference of two squares, so square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. So that's my numerator, x plus 5, x minus 5. And then all divided by, and I can factorize this, 1 times 20, 2 times 10, 4 times 5. What can I put together to make my middle term? Well, that's got to be 1. So if we use the 4 and the 5, now consider it. 4, take away 5 is minus 1, plus 4 times minus 5 would be minus 20, so that's correct. We've got divided by, and let's factorize the numerator from my expression on the right there. So we're going to have 6x squared plus 30x. Box that up. I see 6x goes into both. So 6x times x is 6x squared, 6x times 5 is 30. So we get 6x bracket x plus 5, all divided by, and we consider this. Again, I'm going to box what goes in both, 5 and x. 5x times x is 5x squared, 5x times 4 is 20x, that's a positive. Let's place that in. And I can start that process of cancelling already. I can see x plus minus 5 and x minus 5, and I can also cancel out the x. So let's rewrite that out now. I've got x plus 5 divided by x plus 4. Now let's consider taking the division, turn that to multiplication, but we've got to switch these two sides. I'm going to do it slowly so I do it correctly. So my numerator will be 5, then just check I've got in bracket x plus 4 divided by 6 bracket x plus 5. Alright, good. Now because it's in this multiplication format, now I can look at what else I can cancel out. I can see I've got x plus 5 on both, so that can be cancelled. And I can also see I can cancel the x plus 4. So the left hand side isn't 0 because any number divided by itself will be 1. So I'm literally just going to be left with 5 over 6. 5, 6 as my final answer. And that's done. Press pause and then complete the independent work. Then press play and I will reveal the answers.